Poo. And I'm joined today by the lovely Mike. Ah! I love when the hands do this. Today, we're doing something we haven't done in so long.
It's been a while.
It actually has been.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It was, last time was what, December?
You don't know where those hands have been, hunty.
Fisting?
Let's tell the people what they get today. This video is sponsored by
Adam and Eve.
If you go to adamandeve.com and use the discount code CHASE,
you get 50% off any single item. Some exclusions apply.
Free shipping to Canada and the United States.
So, my love, are you ready
That
for
tickles
this?
way too much, man. Can we just, for 1 second, Brad is deflated behind us, and it reminds me of that commercial, and she's like deflated on the couch.
I don't know what commercial you're talking about.
What's going on here?
She won't answer you. Are you? Oh my god, I read something the other day about calling somebody a dildo, and it was hilarious. I don't remember where it came from. Dildo is a great insult because you can call the person a dick, but it's not even real. So good. I don't remember who said it though, like I read it like
Oh, we need to find out where that comes from. Oh my god, that's a...
Please, if anybody find it, please put the link.
You're a dildo. Oh, cause you weren't even
You're
real.
a dildo. You're a dick and not even real.
No, baby, you're a prosthetic cause you're so real.
Okay, let's take this guy here. What is this? Seems like
Maybe only one of us should have hands so you could actually show people what it looks like. It looks like a poo that's my skin color.
Oh, it's a strap-on.
Excuse me?
It's a very small strap-on.
Wait a minute, I think this is for your face. I think this is the accommodator.
Oh
this
my
is the accommodator. Also,
Oh
are
my
you
God.
allergic to latex? Because that smells like only latex.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're allergic?
No.
Like I think you wear it like a hat.
Hold on.
Yeah, like that. And then I open my legs, and then while you're sucking my peen, you're in me at the same time. These are my legs.
So cool.
These are my legs. That was my butt. Okay, wait. This is squishy.
It is, but it's cool. I like it. Dead deep. Ow, it hurt my chin.
Yuck, sorry! I think you can also put this on your leg. Also, welcome to my long hair. I look like I just had surgery, you know? The people who just had a facelift? No? Okay.
No.
Dare me to go outside like this.
Please, I wanted to walk to work like this.
Yo, I still taste it in my mouth, Mike. Disgusting.
I hate your throat, baby. I lost one hand.
It's quite comfortable. Nice compression on my head.
Oh my god, how did I throw it? Look where.
How the fuck did it end up down there? Accommodator!
Are you ready?
I'm always ready for you. I don't get ready, hunty. I stay ready. As in, I'm always douched for you. Kidding, don't do that.
Okay, let's take the small item
Ooh,
here.
the small item.
Dibs. Ooh, dessert. Wet. I actually really like this brand. It's nice. Nobody can see it. Hold on. This is desserts or dessert?
Dessert. It's desert flavored. It's a little sandy in here. We don't have a prostate.
Oh. It's like, it smells like French vanilla.
Wait, is it vegan?
Ooh. It's not my favorite taste, but it's good if you like this kind of sweet.
Mike, do you know what that tastes like?
What?
A fucking yeast infection! That is so sugary, don't put that near your hoo-ha!
Ooh, girl, Master Series.
Oh my god, I love it. They make my...
Prick.
Ow! Sorry!
When it's not Letty, it's you.
No.
Hold on.
Here, you
Prick. Now, 10-row spiked pinwheel. Run this spiked wheel across the skin and other highly treasured areas.
They make my jizz.
Ooh, it's
my cum.
made with IBS and metal.
ABS. You said IBS.
Ooh, girl, look at my hair.
Ooh, you're like the cat with the hair.
I'm the cat with the hair.
Do me.
Again.
good.
What is this? Adam and Eve make me cum clit sensitizer.
Dibs!
Ingredients: water, propylene glycol. Isn't propylene glycol like antifreeze or something? I don't know.
Well, your cooter won't freeze.
Methyl parabens.
My bada bangs! Every time I read bada bean or whatever, it's in the vagisil.
It's bada bean. Why did you fix me? I say paraben.
I know, but bada bangs! I always think
It's my paraben. I like my paraben. Lube and minty lube.
Yeah.
Minty lube.
Yeah, but the thing is that mint.
The minty sensation, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on my finger here and see what I feel.
And see if your finger turns into a clitoris.
Imagine if your fingers were clitoris.
Clitorises? Clitori. That would be really sensitive.
Right?
My junk is really sensitive, man. You touch me, I'm like, ah!
Hello! I did the poo poo.
Oh, Loki.
The poo poo is sick.
Aw. He ate too much poo.
Loki, your head smells like pee. Loki's a kinky ass dog, man. He can't not see another dog peeing that he puts his face under it and go for the golden shower.
Ooh, Cal Exotics. They make the packer and masturbating sleeve for the transgenders. Transgenderizers.
Cal Exotics began
it.
from a vision to create more inspiring, intimate products that better suited the needs of people looking to enhance the pleasure in their daily lives. So cool! Oh my god! Oh, girl! We have one thing left, and bigger is better. Not necessarily.
What the fuck is this? Oh my god, Mike! I just ripped it out of your hands, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my god!
15 inches, double dong. Double long. Better than real skin.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Ooh, girl, but hold on.
Of course that's where you would go. Of course that's where you would go with that. It's tapered!
Ooh, it smells like eBay. eBay, no,
Best Buy? Smells like Best Buy. Hey Mike, this is the size of my dick. The end.
Oh, man, we can play the game. Yes! Ooh, I'm on fire, baby. Yeah! Look at me.
What
I'm a delicate flower.
You are.
I like to double crown.
Okay, I have so many things to say, but nothing to say. You know? About this?
You're a
just-
dildo.
Also, feels better than real skin. Oh my god. Oh, Mike, that hurts.
Really?
Yes.
Ow! He wasn't that violent.
Oh my god, there's something else in there! Ah!
Here.
I was about to end this video. Rosé, euphoric massage kit.
Euphoria.
I don't have a prostate.
Dyslexia.
What is this, a lipstick? What the fuck is
Hold on, what is this?
I don't know. Is a pleasure-packed petite vibe.
You know the pink one they showed me that I stole forever?
Yep.
I don't know where I put it, by the way. But that one is really good. Like, super nice though, like you're going traveling.
Alright, if you go to adamandeve.com and use the discount code
Chase,
you get 50% off any single item.
some exclusions apply.
Free shipping in the United States and Canada. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next one. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.